Sir, Lord Buddha came here. That time no university was here. He found it was Mango Garden, and Lord Buddha found here local two disciples, Mogalpu and Sharipu. So this big one is the Saripu Stupa, first built by great Ashoka, later on university built here. University built by King Kumar Gupta. It was 10 kilometer long, 5 kilometer wide, 10,000 Lamaji, and 1,500 teachers were here. But you know, complete university had been destroyed.
Okay, continue.
So it was completely destroyed, broken in 1200 AD by the Muslim invader Bakhtiyar Khilji.
12th century.
12th century. So it was continuous burning 6 months. Then
Continue 6 months.
6 months it was burning. When they burnt it, here was three biggest library. That name was Ratna Sagar, Ratna Dadhi, Ratna Ranjika. A lot number of books was in the library. Library were burning continuous 6 months. Then after, slowly it was covered with muds like that, a hill type, that type. Now 1 square kilometer area has been discovered in 2 lines. One line we will see monasteries where monks lives and used to study there. This line the part of temple where they go for worship to Buddha statue. Total 1 square kilometer area now discovered by the Alexander Cunningham in 2 lines. So we will see this monasteries. This was the very important monasteries where near the Sariputra Stupa the higher scholar were living. So please come and see, then we'll come back.
Okay.
So we will see one monasteries like this. 108 monasteries were here. At present 11 has been discovered. All are similar. On the entrance both side was the Buddha statue. Monks go and come. They have prayed to Buddha statue. They were saying Namo Tasya Bhagavato Arhato Sammasam Buddhasya. Buddham Saranam Gacchami, Dhammam Saranam Gacchami, Sangam Saranam Gacchami. It is Pali language, sir, because language was Pali here. But art education, medicine, philosophy, astronomy, metaphysics, these were the main subject of this university. In entire construction, we are looking 75% are original, but 25% restoration by the department with cement. Original construction look like that they keep brick on brick, but they given very short material, dust of bricks and lime. Your new like that old, but your old like that new. So old is gold.
Real old one?
This is real old one, sir, and that is new one. And these are original burning signs. Here, what they are doing, they burnt it. It was continuous burning 6 months. These are original burning signs.
Say şatasın yerçi bir şey ol. O da iyiyim ben.
Just 1 minute.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Sir, we will looking one monasteries like this 108 monasteries were here. At present 11 has been discovered. All are similar. For every monastery was 2 bathrooms. This was used for take bath. They bringing water from the well. In every monastery is a well for necessary drinking water. They bringing water from the well. This was 2 common bathrooms. We'll see the drainage system like that Harappa and Mohenjo-daro civilizations. This is very sloping from that side. Cement is new, but system is original. This is very sloping. These are your original, and this is new. Your new is broken, sir. New like that old, but your old like that new. So old is gold.
No, okay.
So this is one room for one monk. This type 11,500 room were here.
11,500 room.
Sir, now 1100 room has been discovered in 11 monasteries. In every monastery for about 100 monks were living. So one for one person. This was bookshelf.
Bookshelf.
Sir, this was the light shelf. At the study time, light comes here. Otherwise, gas will not observe in the room. They kept light near the door. These are original burning sign. And everywhere was the wooden roof. All wooden burnt. So everywhere roof is broken. So this is one room for one person. But we are going in the room of higher scholar, Guru Padmashambhava, Guru Rinpoche. In that room we will see a one cave in the roof where they take meditation, and all higher scholars were going there also.
Just 1 minute.
This was very religious room for Guru Rinpoche, Guru Padmashambhava. In his room was a cave. So all higher scholars were coming here as a rotation system to take meditation. Inside, it is height here and deep near there. These are all new given by Department for Protection, because everywhere was wooden. All wooden burnt, so everywhere it is broken. Nowadays, also Buddhist monks are coming. They are keeping in this room this type golden paint, and they are meditating here. So this is very religious.
I want to ask one question. What's the proof that Brahma Sambhava was meditating here? What's the proof?
Yes, sir. All proof we have found according to diary of Wen Sang, the Chinese monk.
Yeah, Wangsan.
Sir, and according that diary, they identified by department because he written, but he's seen. I will show to you a stupa. After death of any person, they kept relics and built a stupa. So some stupa opened by department, and they saw inside is the relics. So this time, sir, here was the big Buddha statue. This is original footprint of Buddha statue. These are the fingerprint. This is the palm print of Buddha statue. This was very original Buddha statue. Here was the support of Buddha statue. Before meditation, after meditation, they come here to praise this Buddha statue.
Sanjay, good number. Pukam bakshi kunda bega, kurk bega, tenne sur bega.
हो गया
Okay. If you will give singer, then I will start, sir. You see.
Okay, start.
So every courtyard was the classroom for that monastery. This was the lecture hall, and this was the lecture platform, a stone for the pillar, supporting for the roof. This stupa built later. This is also one stupa, but which stupa for which person it is not identified. Sir, suppose this stupa built later, this stupa was not here. That time, once upon a time, Shanti Deva, he was preaching to the monk. Lama, many Lama were sitting here, and he was preaching from that point that is identified by archaeological department, sir. When he was preaching, in the last of preaching, he was going slowly to a sky, disappeared.
시원한 칼리갈 필사를 디레서
Sir, really, so that time, monks were seeing near to the roof. Then after he disappeared. Roof was there, sir. Really, your actual question, there was roof. Then he fly. But he not flying all over. People are looking. Only looking, he went about 3, 4, 5 feet. Then after he disappeared. Sir, somewhere we have found.
In the Tom Sobra and Persan Shinjibe in Sobra Surbe yet. In Mas Chogol Bolo in the Sobra Persan Gatsago back.
Sir, somewhere we have found the design of bow arrow, the national symbol of Gupta dynasty, who was the founder of Nalanda University in 5th century AD. That was the golden age for India.
King Cook 5th century. But there we give us in get the
Please burn your light, plus light and give me. Please give plus light, sir. I will show here. This, sir, this was very religious to room for Naropa and Tilopa. That is well for necessary drinking water. And in front this religious room, here was the big Buddha statue. And for the lighted this Buddha statue, this and this is original mica stone. You are looking here shining now also. You are looking the shining, sir? You looking the shining? This is mica stone. This is mica stone.
Oh yeah, shining.
Shining. In those time, they fix here copper plate. When sun rays comes here and reflected to Buddha statue. So a statue be lighted, means just like mirror. Very good technology in those times. Whose mobile it is? Whose mobile it is? Whose mobile it is?
가렐라 songo.
In there. 로 누스는 걸 차침침침침 지하게.
산지 꾸도 세부 최고를 쓰고.
마이크에서는 또 산세를
산지 꾸왜 용어에 쳐도 지고를 쓰고.
내 산지 꾸요. 너디 왜 지니 이걸 왜 저기 열었어?
Hatta bak şimdi tam şunun bir doğrusu bir de satmayı.
ойгоод хөндрүүл гэсэн. Ойгоод бүхний дүрд харагдаад яг бухнаас өөрөөс нь гэрэл цэцэж байгаа юм шиг байна.
Sir, it is one new history about Nalanda. It is came in all mobile, all internet, TV channel and newspaper. In last year, on 1st January 2017, a little boy came, 3 years old, from Bhutan. He was the grandson of the Bhutan princess. His mother name was Sonam. Sister Sonam was also with him. Their all family and administration power of Bhutan, here admission power with him. I was also with him, sir. I have saw on online, when I have started the history about Nalanda, that boy was already saying everything. Before, when he came in this block, he was request I will be go there. So department, they allowed him. When he went there, sir, he saw those room. When he was returned back, he identified about that corner room. This was my room. I was living here before 824 years, and my name was Berochna. He said, really, according to history, sir, Berochna was here, also higher scholar. Sir, I cannot say it is true or false, but all Buddhist countries are saying 100% true, because that little boy cannot say lie.
Yes.
How old was he?
Very young.
눈 좋고 호텔에 먹어놨을 때 그. 아유.
เรียกว่าสถานที่วินิจฉัยคดีความครับตรงนี้ครับ เวลาเกิดอัตรา
Çok korktu geçsin. Hadi de tavukçası olsun. Bu indir. Bir oraya otur. Şahmat arıyor yok. Tegro. İlminiyoruz. Berosun. Berosun benim bir berosun nasıl? Bu nasıl olacak? Ne koyun çok koyun.
Ata ya çıkıyor.
Ata da şimdi orada durur. İyi köy.
This was very really religious point. Once upon a time, Gumpuluto, Chandrakirti, Nagarjuna demanded milk for his worship. So Chandrakirti Dava Thakpa went everywhere, but he not found milk. Actually, you know, from the cow painting, he got milk. This is actually the cow point. This was the mouth part of cow. This was the stomach part of cow. This was the back leg part of cow. This was the tail part, and this was the milk part. And they bring in milk from here and give it to Guru. So like that a magic, sir, but this is real history. Mentioned in your Buddhist philosophy. They got milk from the cow desire.
가지고만 되는 기고 그랬어. 저거 되는 기고 그랬어. 중국인들 제일로도.
이 베지 볼노. 이 베지 볼노. 야, 놈 토돌 벤. 야, 이 베지 볼노. 아니, 그 토르토르 인게토. 데데 지 빠르지 잡나 따따래.
가지고 되는데
지 누구에 버주고 solta 지 누구에.
가지고 될 때다 저거 되기고 미치를 섭다 저렇게 해서
나랑기 카두를 가르드스나 버주 슈구다 깡바디 베게 예베서 통도.
말이 거래.
네.
इस कारण से छोड़ना पड़ा
5 minutes more.
Yes. Thank you.
Come.
후레트레.
So I told you here was three biggest library in three direction. That name was Ratna Sagar, Ratna Dadhi, Ratna Ranjka. This was the entrance for any one library. Who was the 9th floor building? But all broken. Ninth floor.
유신다 거뱅.
Here down steps. Here was also monastery. It is cut by department and they shown to you. It was built by three dynasty. So there is the design of bow, arrow, the national symbol of Gupta period. There used big motel dust of different line. A small base by the Pala dynasty. 5th century AD, 7th century. These are also living room, and this was the classroom for this monastery.
Okay, you can go talk here.
You can take rest here. Last explanation. So now it is excavated in two lines.
Yeah.
That line, the similar part of the monastery, we have seen that monastery like that 11 has been discovered, given the red wood white department. All are same for general. This side, this same part like this Astupa Buddhist temple. This was the most important structure of Nalanda. Nowadays also people are praying here to this Sariputra Stupa. Actually, this is Sariputra Stupa. First, I told you here was mango garden, sir, and Lord Buddha visited this place. He found local two disciples, Mongalpu and Saripu. This is Saripu Stupa, first built by King Asoka on the relics of Sariputra. Later on, Ven University built by three kings. It was extension by three type of steps. There is three type of steps. First of Gupta period, then Harsa period, then Pala period. 5th century AD, 7th century AD, and 9th century AD. It means, sir, university were running order 700 years. From 5th century AD to 12th century AD. In the last of 12th century AD, all broken by invader Bakhtiyar Khilji. So this is solid. There was the Buddha statue. That is also broken like that Bamyan Buddha statue. They broken. So this is solid. On the top was the Buddha statue broken now, sir. In here, a square one are meditation platform, but many round shape like this. Big one and a small one. Many, about 1,000 stupas found in excavated area, Guruji. Who teachers were died here. After burning, they kept relics and built a stupa. According to post, big one and a small one. Big one for higher scholar, a small for senior monk, just a small for junior monk. This stupa is now damaged. After here, not allowed. Now, if you have time, then you can take pray, you can take photograph. My back is here.
I have finally one question. Nalanda name explaining.
Nalanda is the
Nalan
is the
what?
combination.
What means? Okay.
Nalanda is the combination of two words, Nalang and Da. Nalang, it is Pali word because those time language was Pali here. But art education, medicine, philosophy, astronomy, metaphysics, these were the main subject. So Nalang and Da. Nalang means lotus flower, which is the symbol of knowledge. Da means to give. Which place gives knowledge called Nalanda.
Okay.
Is okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so my
thank
guide
you.
is thank you
very much.
Happy your journey. I wish to you. Okay?
Yeah.
Are you happy to my guideline?
Yeah, thank you. Excellent. Excellent. Yeah,
Come
thank
again.
you
My
very
name is Anil Kumar.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Okay, sister.